Hello and welcome everyone, Mr. Carman here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can replace or upgrade your brake light and tail light bulb on your Range Rover Sport L320. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Here's the before look with the original bulb installed, and now let's get started with the replacement. So I'm going to start off by removing the tail light assembly. It's held on with two screws, 1 and 2. With the two screws out of the way, we're going to push and slide the taillight assembly. There are two locking pins, one here and one here. And the easiest way is put one hand on this side of the taillight while you're pushing and sliding from this. Just like that. The top one's open. We're going to do the same with the bottom. And if the pushing and sliding isn't working for you, you could stick your fingers in between and pull, just like that. Now pull out. And then there's going to be one thick wiring harness connecting towards the body of the car. You do not have to remove it. All you're going to do is focus up here on this socket, which is our brake light bulb and our tail light bulb. You're going to twist it counterclockwise and pull it out. Then to take the bulb out, you're going to push it down and also turn it counterclockwise and it will get released. And now reinstall the new bulb in the reverse process. You're going to insert it, push it in, and turn it clockwise. Once it's locked into place, you're going to insert it back into the hole. It's only going to go in one way, just like that, and then twist, and it locks right into place. And then reinstall your tail light assembly. And one tip is just be careful when you're inserting it back in, as there is a lot of wirings and you don't want it to come behind the screws or the pins. So keep those in the middle, slide back, and align this side first. So align both the pins into the hole and then just give it a push. Just like that, and you'll hear a locking snap. That means it's locked into place. And then reinstall the two screws. We've changed the left side LED, and now I'm going to change the right side, and then I'll share with you guys the final result with the LED change for our brake light tail light bulbs. The new LED lights just look a ton better. The red is a lot more deeper and it's a lot more brighter than it was with the original bulb. I would highly recommend you guys to try this out if you're looking for a very inexpensive upgrade for your Range Rover, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.